He was a young adventurer who documented this travel on YouTube. He died in Africa snowstorm in the Swedish well-dreamedness after sending a heart-breaking final message to this grandmother. Storm G. Beul, 22, a nature lover who enjoy being alone, was found dead in a Lapland on October 30 after spending much of the year hiking solo through the remote Jokkmokk region. He became cut in a devastating blizzard the night before, telling this grandmother in a tragic final message. It's snowing heavily here, but don't worry, I will survive you now. If you want more information, just to my channel. Thank you.